Notion Enterprise Marketing Workspace Pricing explained what you get for your money. Notion Enterprise is designed for marketing teams that need to plan, collaborate, and execute campaigns efficiently. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a note-taking tool, but Enterprise integrates AI-powered content creation, task management, and workflow automation for large teams. Pricing is custom, based on team size, features, and storage needs. Enterprises with multiple departments and campaigns pay more, but gain unlimited workspace access, priority support, and enhanced security. Key features include AI-assisted writing, project and task management, content calendar automation, team collaboration, and integrations with marketing platforms. Teams can draft campaign copy, manage workflows, track progress, and centralize all marketing assets in one workspace. The main advantage is streamlined collaboration. Marketing teams can save time, maintain consistency across campaigns, and manage multiple projects without losing oversight. AI tools assist in content generation and research, increasing productivity and creativity. In conclusion, Notion Enterprise Marketing Workspace Pricing reflects the value of a platform that combines content, collaboration, and workflow management. For organizations looking to optimize marketing operations, improve team efficiency, and scale campaigns effectively, this plan delivers the tools, support, and flexibility required to succeed.